Welcome to our exploration of ARM templates. In today's digital landscape, managing and deploying cloud resources efficiently is paramount. This is where Azure Resource Manager, that is ARM templates, come into play. Join us as we dive deeper into the world of ARM templates and discover how they can revolutionize your cloud infrastructure management. But before moving on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. Alright, now let's first talk about what exactly are ARM templates. Azure ARM templates are a simple way to define and deploy your Azure cloud resources using code. They're written in JSON and tell Azure exactly what resources you need and how you want them configured. Whether you're using Azure Portal, CLI, or PowerShell, Azure Resource Manager uses these templates to set up your resources quickly and reliably, ensuring your infrastructure is consistent and error-free. Now, the objective of creating ARM templates is to automate Azure environment management, deploy infrastructure as code, save time, reduce errors, and ensure consistent and repeatable resource provisioning. Now let's consider a scenario. Green tech solutions, an eco-tech startup, face delays and inconsistencies due to manual Azure resource setups. To streamline their operations, they adopted Azure Resource Manager templates. This automation brought consistent configurations, dramatically cut down setup times, and enabled developers to manage their environments more effectively, enhancing productivity and encouraging innovation. Now let's take a look at some of the requirements of this company. So this chart shows the requirement details of Green Tech Solutions. It displays the requirements needed to create ARM templates. Their aim is to reduce setup times and provide developers with consistent and manageable environments to enhance productivity and innovation. You may pause the video and take a look at these requirements because we'll be using these details in our lab demonstration. So are you ready to dive deeper? Unlock exclusive content and demonstration by attending our session on working with ARM templates. Discover how companies can automate Azure resource deployments to enhance productivity and drive innovation. For more information and exciting content, visit our website.